I'm James Sweeney, and here is your morning market brief. We first begin overseas, and the rising concerns over a possible default for Greece has hit the global markets really hard. This with the Asian markets once again plummeting as the Hang Seng fell 4.21%. European markets once again sharply lower, and U.S. stock futures are pointing towards a lower open. Now, Greek officials have stated that the country has only the cash to operate until the month of October. Yields on two-year Greek notes exploded over 60% for the first time ever. However, Prime Minister George Papandreou of Greece gave a speech on reforms and said that the nation was determined to stay in the Eurozone and avoid a default. Austerity cuts as well as weak global demand hurt Italian industrial production figures. This as output fell 0.7% month over month. This after a 0.8% fall the previous reading. Over the weekend, China posted a narrower than expected surplus of $17.7 billion. Exports grew 24.5% in year over year for the month of August. This while imports jumped a total of 30.9% year over year for the month. In corporate news out of the United States, the McGraw Hill companies have announced that it is splitting into two separate companies: the McGraw Hill Markets, which will focus on capital and commodities markets, and McGraw Hill Education. Meanwhile, in M&A news, we have Broadcom Corporation announcing that it is buying NetLogic Microsystems for roughly $3.7 billion US, and NetLogic shareholders are expected to receive $50 per share. American Colfax Corporation announced that it is buying British Charter International for $2.4 billion in cash as well as shares. And in one of the most controversial companies right now, Bank of America is presenting its investor conference today in New York City, and investors will indeed be paying attention to everything that is going on there. And President Barack Obama is sending his $447 billion US austerity jobs plan to Congress today, and it is expected that he will reveal how he plans to finance the idea.